Empress Beauty Gang. It's your girl E, and I'm back with another video. You guys. I'm so sorry about the late upload, you guys. I've been having a busy weekend spending time with family, but today I'm going to be showing you guys how I make this new lip gloss that I made over the weekend. It's called Hot Girl. This was included in my Black Friday sale, and it is on my website as of right now, so make sure you do visit my website at www.empressbeautycosmetics.net in order to get yours now. As y'all know, first things first, you always want to grab your Gel. Make sure you have a sanitized area. You can see I have my padding down to make sure I'm not getting any oil all over the countertops or tables. Like I said before in the last video, make sure you do have disposable bowls and utensils so you don't have to worry about cleaning up the Gel afterwards, because Gel is so sticky and it is so hard to get off. But if you do find yourself having to clean all of your tools, make sure you get Dawn Platinum ×4. It's a degreaser Dawn, or the degreaser dish soap, and it works really good on all of your spoons or spatulas or bowls that you're needing to clean. Now I'm just getting all of my oils and getting ready to mix that in. I am using a couple new oils that I have not used before just to see how I like these. At the end of the video and after the weekend was over, I did realize I like the new oils that I use. Like I said in all my other videos, research your oils. There's so many oils out there that you can use, like sunflower seed oil, avocado oil, coconut oil, sweet almond oil, castor oil, vitamin E oil, all kinds of oils that you can use that will nourish and keep your lips or skin very healthy. Okay, so after I mix in all of my oils, I'm just taking this TKB Trading liquid pigment in the color red, and I am just going to be adding just a little bit at a time until I get the color that I want. I don't want to put too much just because I don't want it to overpower my oils that I already have in there. You just want to be very careful with liquid pigment. It's already made with oil, so you don't want your formula or your mix to be too loose because you're adding too much oil to the base. I actually like this color that I have right here on the frame only because it's like a light pink. It's like a really nice color. As you can see, you can have various shades of red. This would be, to me, this is considered like a light pink almost, just because it's not like a really like a dark red to me. But just because you have one color doesn't mean you can't get multiple shades out of that one liquid pigment. You see, as I am adding more and more pigment to the mix, it's getting darker and darker. So any of these shades I can really do, but for the holiday season, I'm really going for a really deep red. If you guys are wondering where you can find any of this liquid pigment, I get mine from TKB Trading. I know they are recently having a sale on there. If you guys are interested, they're having a sale on their Gel as well as any kind of pigments, as well as mica powders and glitter, if I'm not mistaken. If you are also looking for another place, Etsy is a nice place to try. You can try Amazon. I know Amazon has been coming up in the lip gloss world low-key, so don't miss out on Amazon. Don't leave Amazon out. I know in the beginning when I first started my lip gloss journey, Amazon did not have a lot of lip gloss tools or things you can get from there, but they have came up, so I would suggest you guys to go visit those websites. Now that I have the color that I was really wanting is like this deep apple red, now I'm just going to add my apple adventure flavoring from Get Suckered. This smells so bomb. It smells exactly like apple. Um, Get Suckered did their thing on their lip flavoring oils, not even gonna lie. Um, Now I'm just going to be adding like a little bit more Versagel. I think in the video when I was recording, it was too loose for my liking because like I said, I added all of those oils in and it really loosened up a lot of my mix here. So I just went ahead and added the a little bit more Versagel just to get the thick consistency that I like. I don't want it too thick to where it's not, easy to maneuver, but I want it to be a nice, solid, fluid consistency. I know I talked about this briefly in my last video. I'm just taking a preservative and putting it inside my lip gloss. Preservatives is really good for any kind of butters, creams, scrubs, lip glosses, balms, anything because it keeps your products fresh for a longer period of time. And now I'm just going to start filling my lip gloss tubes. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Visit my website at www.empressbeautycosmetics.net. And I do want to shout out my new subscriber, Jamaica Arthur. She actually helped me come up with my last lip gloss name, and the name was Mocha from my last video. You guys can go back and watch that video. So if you guys like this video, remember to tell everybody about the Empress Beauty Gang so they can become part of the gang. And I'll see y'all later. Bye, Empress Beauty Gang.